think you need a truck to tow an RV? Think again, because your perfect adventure RV might be SUV towable. No matter what size SUV you drive, from full-size SUVs towing larger travel trailers to small crossovers pulling ultralight campers, there are options for everyone. So today, we're looking at 5 of the best travel trailers for couples that can be towed by large, mid-size, and small SUVs in 2025. For couples looking for a cozy getaway camper in a compact yet functional space, the Silver Lake 1600 RBLE delivers all the essentials while remaining easy to tow and simple to set up. At just over 21 foot long and weighing approximately 3,800 pounds dry or so, this model is perfect for mid-size SUVs like a Toyota 4Runner, Ford Explorer, Kia Telluride, and Jeep Grand Cherokee. Basically, vehicles with a 5,000-pound tow rating. The single-axle design and a 475-pound hitch weight make it easier to maneuver and control on the road, especially with the help of a weight distribution hitch and sway control system. Even if you're new to towing, the compact length, electric brakes, and lightweight build ensure a smooth towing experience. Step inside and you'll find a layout that optimizes space and livability, starting with the Murphy-style queen bed. This quickly transforms into a comfortable sofa by day for versatile seating space, and it easily folds down into a queen bed at night with storage underneath. In the midsection here, a booth dinette offers a dedicated dining space while also converting, ideally, into an additional sleeping area for possibly an adult or 2 small kids, depending on, of course, the size of the adult and the kids. Meanwhile, the extra tall 81-inch ceiling enhances the sense of openness, just making the space feel larger than expected for a 21-foot trailer. The galley here has a 2-burner stove, microwave, and seamless countertops, plus plenty of storage. Nearby USB and USB-C charging ports ensure your devices stay powered, and Wi-Fi and solar prep allow for easy upgrades to enhance your off-grid camping experiences. At the rear here, you'll find one of this model's biggest perks, a full-width bathroom. You have a 24 by 40-inch shower, a foot flush toilet, vanity with medicine cabinet, plus additional storage. Just creates possibly one of the most functional bathrooms available in a smaller trailer. I mean, honestly, the sink alone is something that is often missing in this layout, as we'll see in the next couple RVs. But first, let's go check out the exterior. The 1600 RBLE has a lightweight and easy to maintain structure. It features a rust-resistant powder-coated frame, magnetic baggage doors, and a friction hinge entry door that holds up in windy conditions like today. The one-piece roof ensures durability, while a large 13-foot power awning with an LED light strip extends your campsite's comfort outdoors. For those searching for a towable, well-equipped, and easy-to-manage travel trailer, this one offers an ideal mix of comfort, practicality, and SUV-friendly towing, making it a top choice for new and experienced RVers alike. But if a Murphy bed is a deal breaker for you, well then the Ozark 1610 RBLE may be a better choice. Let's go check it out. At a hair over 20 feet long and weighing only 2,800 pounds dry, the Ozark 1610 RBLE is quite possibly one of the best towing options for many mid-size SUVs, of course equipped with the proper tow package. Vehicles like a Chevy Traverse, Honda Pilot, and a Hyundai Palisade can all tow this one quite well if properly equipped with a 5,000-pound tow rating. Its single-axle design, hitch weight of around 370 pounds, and 7.5-foot width make it easier to maneuver than larger models. It's perfect for weekend getaways, national park stays, and first-time RV owners looking for a manageable layout without requiring transforming a sleeping space every day. Step inside the 1610 RBLE and the floor plan will probably feel pretty similar to what we saw in the Silver Lake. However, here you get a fixed queen bed, meaning you can easily swap out this mattress for a more comfortable night's sleep. Dual wardrobes also provide great storage for clothing and other essentials, and this opens up to the living area, featuring a sofa in place of a standard dinette for maximum comfort when sitting inside. Across from the sofa, the kitchen has a 2-burner cooktop with glass cover, single basin sink with a high-rise faucet, and a 4.5 cubic foot fridge. There's also storage above both the sofa and the kitchen. The bathroom has good space for maneuvering, a foot flush toilet, shower, and large linen closet that oftentimes you don't get in a trailer this size. Forest River's Ozark series is known for its conventional yet durable construction. It uses wood framing with upgraded aluminum exterior siding, or you can get the optional Ascent upgrade that gives you a fiberglass exterior and includes a 200-watt solar package for off-grid camping. Plus, the fully insulated underbelly and insulated water tanks do make this one suitable for 3-season camping. To add to that, not only do you get pass-through, you get additional storage in the back, a propane quick connect for grilling, and a spare mounted as well. So for those seeking a well-equipped travel trailer that's light enough for most mid-size SUVs, hassle-free thanks to the fixed queen bed and sofa, and practical enough for everyday camping, the Ozark 1610 RVLE is an excellent choice. Now, how about an option from the best-selling travel trailer brand in America, the Coleman Light 17RX. For those seeking an ultralight, easy-to-tow travel trailer that doesn't compromise on comfort, the Coleman Light 17RX is an excellent option. Designed for couples and small families, this under 21-foot camper packs a queen bed, full bathroom, functional kitchen, and convertible dinette into a streamlined and highly maneuverable package. Weighing just 2,695 pounds dry, the 17RX is one of the lightest full-featured travel trailers on the market today. Its 7.5-foot width and modest 300-pound hitch weight make it easy to tow with compact and mid-size SUVs, such as the Toyota Highlander, Ford Edge, Honda Passport, or even a properly equipped Subaru Outback. Even with a fully loaded weight of around 4,000-pound GVWR, it remains within the towing capacity of many everyday SUVs. The 17RX's open concept design maximizes every inch of space. Up front, like the Ozark, you can find a 60 by 74-inch queen bed that provides a dedicated sleeping area. Unlike Murphy bed designs, right, this layout ensures your bed is always ready, just making it ideal for those who prefer a simpler, more traditional setup. Storage is built in underneath the bed, and a wardrobe closet on the one side gives you dedicated space for hanging clothes. The bench dinette on the side is a multi-purpose dining, work, board game, or just lounge space. When needed, it easily converts into an extra bed for one adult if they curl up, or a child, bringing the total sleeping capacity to a potential 3 people. With a 78-inch ceiling, the trailer provides a comfortable amount of headroom even for some taller campers. And despite its compact size, the 17RX doesn't skimp out on the kitchen either. The galley includes a 2-burner cooktop with the cover, stainless steel sink with a high-rise pull-out sprayer, overhead microwave, and a 3.3 cubic foot mini fridge that's perfect for keeping essentials fresh. Dedicated trash can storage is also a standout feature because it's something that's often overlooked in smaller trailers, and it's honestly something that I, as an experienced camper, personally always look for. The bathroom isn't lacking either. The spacious shower has a retractable self-cleaning door and a skylight overhead, adding extra light and headroom. A foot flush toilet, large linen closet, and 42,000 BTU tankless water heater round out this functional bathroom. And despite its compact and budget-friendly design, the 17RX includes several modern upgrades to enhance the camping experience, including USB and USB-C charging ports near the bed and dinette for easy device charging, blackout night shades for added privacy and better sleep, solar flex prep, making it easy to add solar power, a roof-mounted AC unit designed for efficiency while keeping weight down, and a power tongue jack included straight from the factory. But what truly makes the 17RX stand out is how easy it is to tow. Along with the minimal dry weight, the narrower width improves aerodynamics, and the low hitch weight ensures minimal stress on your vehicle's suspension. Although an anti-sway bar or weight distribution hitch is recommended for extra stability at highway speeds, this trailer is probably one of the most beginner-friendly models currently available. Now, if you're looking for a bit more sleeping space from a similarly sized travel trailer, this next one on our list may be just right for you. Designed as a lightweight, no-slide couples camper, the 21-foot Springdale Classic Mini 1750 RD features a huge rear dinette, a full bathroom, and a comfortable queen bed, all in a package that remains manageable for many mid-size and full-size SUVs. With a dry weight of just 3,200 pounds and a GVWR of 4,400, the 1750 RD falls well within the towing range of properly equipped vehicles like the Honda Pilot, Toyota Highlander, Ford Explorer, and Jeep Grand Cherokee. Its 8-foot width provides a more spacious interior than many compact trailers, while its single-axle design and modest 430-pound hitch weight keep it easy to tow and maneuver. The standout feature of the Springdale 1750 RD, of course, is its big rear U-shaped dinette, which spans the entire back of the trailer. Surrounded by extra large windows on 3 sides, this space offers incredible panoramic views. It's one of the most spacious dinettes you'll find in a trailer of this size, comfortably seating 4 people at meal times or game time. At night, though, the dinette becomes a secondary sleeping space, making this trailer great for small families or those who like hosting friends or grandkids. The open layout and natural light just make the space feel larger than expected. Moving forward from the dinette, kind of going into midship, the kitchen provides a 2-burner cooktop, single basin sink with high-rise faucet, and then across the way is a microwave, fridge, and pantry, which is oftentimes missing in the compact trailers. Having that additional storage here is just going to be overall just a huge plus. Speaking of storage, right, it's a strong point in this 1750. They kind of maximize that storage in several different ways. We talked about the pantry, but you also get overhead cabinets kind of throughout the trailer, a wardrobe near the bed, and underbed storage for extra gear. Up front here, the queen bed is positioned east to west across the trailer's width, with the head, of course, up against the wall. Now, unlike some of the compact trailers where both sides of the bed are blocked, the 1750 here leaves a bit of open space, just allowing for easier access into the bed. The bathroom is going to be kind of front center, right next to the bed. It includes the tub shower with a skylight, letting in more light, giving you additional headroom, a foot flush toilet, nice big vanity and sink here. For a trailer this size, it's a really well-proportioned bathroom, offering all the essentials, including the sink, without feeling cramped. But despite its compact size and budget-friendly focus, the 1750 RD includes some really useful features, like a 5,000 BTU sidewall AC unit that's standard, but you have the option to upgrade to a 13.5K BTU roof-mounted one like we have here. The Girard tankless water heater, which provides endless hot water when hooked up to city water. A power awning with LED lights for comfortable outdoor living, and blackout nightshades for privacy and better sleep. When towing with an SUV, bear in mind that trailer brakes are electric, so a brake controller is going to be required. Also, an anti-sway hitch is recommended for improved stability at highway speeds. Overall, this Springdale is simply an excellent choice for anyone looking for an SUV-compatible RV. But up next, and last on our list, is a much larger laminate trailer that may require a more significant towing package and a larger SUV. For a high-end SUV towable travel trailer with luxurious features and a spacious design, the Campsite Ultra 19KB certainly stands out. While it remains within the towable range for some full-size SUVs, it is notably larger and heavier than other compact trailers, but it offers an upscale camping experience in a 22.5-foot frame with a slide-out. With an unloaded weight of over 5,100 pounds and a high cargo capacity of over 2,400 pounds, which gives it a GVWR of 7,600 pounds, this one's built for travelers who want to bring everything they need for extended stays. Now, while the 19KB is technically SUV towable, again, because it is a little bit bigger, I do recommend a full-size SUV or a half-ton pickup. A weight distribution hitch and sway control are also strongly advised, especially with an SUV, and your vehicle must have at least a 7,000-pound tow rating. The 19KB is designed as a luxury couples camper, right? It's ideal for those seeking residential-style comfort while on the road. It features a Camp King bed with big storage underneath, a few great drawers there, and again, a king bed's just rare to find in a travel trailer this length. On the side, you'll find a wardrobe, which is excellent storage for all of your clothes, plus behind it you have a shelf with a plug-in, perfect for a CPAP machine. You also get additional storage all the way across the top here. So great storage overall here in the front, but the favorite part is of course going to be the automotive style windshield that lets in natural light, gives you beautiful scenic views so you can catch the sun in the morning or be able to stargaze at night. Unlike many small trailers that rely on dinettes for seating, the 19KB went a different direction and has this plush jackknife sofa here housed in the flush floor slide out. This just provides an extended living room setup, right? Complete with the swivel mounted TV over on the wall, and it makes the layout just perfect for relaxing indoors. Plus, it has a really unique storage option given that the windows here have all been replaced with cabinets. Across the way, the kitchen's bar top counter extension here also gives you another possible dining option, and it provides an open feel while giving you some great additional counter space here too. The kitchen's also well equipped, right? You have solid surface countertops, a deep stainless steel bowl here with a high-rise faucet, recessed 3-burner cooktop, you have a microwave air fryer combo and storage all the way throughout, plus you have the nice little hooks up here so you have a place to hang your mugs. The rear of the 19KB is dedicated to a spacious bathroom, offering probably one of the most comfortable setups in a smaller travel trailer. Starting with this right here, it has this glass enclosed radius shower with a skylight. You have a porcelain foot flush toilet, a large sink and vanity with a medicine cabinet here, plus you get dedicated linen storage and an on-demand water heater. It's just going to be a significant upgrade over standard RV bathrooms, again providing that more residential feel. Now right next to the bathroom and the entrance to this RV is also where you'll have access to the refrigerator, which is conveniently placed for coming inside, grabbing a beverage, and heading right back out. Speaking of out, let's go check out the exterior. As part of Forest River's new laminated campsite Ultra series, the 19KB is constructed for durability and long-term use. It features things like fully laminated sidewalls with a smooth fiberglass exterior, a one-piece PVC roof with a lifetime warranty for low-maintenance upkeep, insulated and heated enclosed tanks for extended season camping, and you have square framed windows plus slam latch baggage doors for a sleek, modern aesthetic. The trailer itself rides on a dual axle chassis with electric self-adjusting brakes, providing a smoother and more stable towing experience compared to single axle models. Power stabilizer jacks and a power tongue jack simplify setup, while a rear 2-inch receiver hitch allows for carrying bike racks or additional cargo. The Campsite Ultra 19KB is loaded with premium features, including things like a 15,000 BTU roof-mounted AC with Bluetooth control and dehumidifier mode, a 100-watt solar panel with charge controller for off-grid power that is lithium battery ready, the tankless water heater we talked about inside, an exterior TV mount, and marine-grade speakers for outdoor entertainment, plus it comes with a backup camera system, not just backup camera prep, making it super simple to back up. With these upgrades, the 19KB really just provides a high-end camper in a very compact floor plan. So which of these SUV towable campers would best fit your RV dreams? We'd love to hear about it in the comments. I'm Ian Baker, and thanks for watching.